The mindsets are different. The skill sets are different.
Have you ever thought about the key to unlocking financial success and abundance? Robert Kiyosaki motivates us to harness the transformative power of our thoughts and beliefs. It's not just about mastering specific skills, but about adopting a mindset that opens doors to endless possibilities. By cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset, you can propel yourself toward financial abundance and fulfillment. He challenges conventional thinking, urging you to embrace a growth-oriented mindset. This mindset empowers you to seek opportunities, take calculated risks, and continually learn from your experiences. It forms the foundation for long-term prosperity and empowers you to create the life of your dreams. So, if you're ready to explore the secret to getting rich, it starts with your mindset. Let Robert Kiyosaki guide you on this transformative journey in how to get rich. Welcome to Finance Soon channel. It's time to discover the incredible power within your thoughts and beliefs to pave the way for lasting financial success. Achieving wealth involves knowing your life goals. Do you have a clear one? Understanding your aspirations and working towards them is vital for financial success. Align your actions with your vision to unlock the path to richness and fulfillment. Take control of your financial future, focusing on assets that generate income rather than just relying on a paycheck. Invest in yourself, in education and knowledge to make smart decisions. Be ready to take calculated risks and embrace failures as learning opportunities. Remember, true wealth comes from being financially intelligent and creating multiple income streams. Don't wait for opportunities to knock on your door. You must be proactive and create them yourself. It's not just about money. It's about your mindset, attitude, and determination to build a brighter financial future. The idea of becoming rich may seem like a fairy tale. You constantly ask yourself, how do they do it? Witnessing numerous young millionaires and billionaires can leave you puzzled and even frustrated. You may assume they were born fortunate or attained success through dishonest means. Maybe you believe their money is evil or you're not smart enough. Do you remember those childhood dreams of traveling, owning a Lamborghini, or even going to space? They might feel like mere fantasies that will never come true. It seems like life is unfair, and you feel like you're on the losing side. But what if I told you that you were mistaken? What if I revealed a secret, an actual formula to wealth that was never taught in school? Those wild dreams of yours could still become a reality. By the end of this video, you'll uncover the missing piece of the puzzle you've been searching for. However, I must warn you, the journey won't be smooth. It's filled with ups and downs, and you'll confront truths that society and schools have hidden. Many won't make it to the end, but for those who do, a life of wealth beyond your wildest dreams awaits, and financial worries will be a thing of the past. Like Robert Kiyosaki once said,
getting rich begins with the mindset and the belief that you can create wealth. It's not about luck, it's about taking control of your financial future. Focus on acquiring assets that generate income rather than working for a paycheck. Invest in education and knowledge to make informed decisions. Take calculated risks and learn from failures. Remember, true wealth comes from financial intelligence and the ability to create multiple streams of income. Don't wait for opportunities, create them and take action. The key to getting rich is not just about the money, but also about your mindset, attitude, and perseverance in building a better financial future.
absolutely. Are you ready to transform your mindset? Then, let's not waste any time. Here are the 10 powerful steps that will guide you on this transformative journey. Step 1. Embrace the path to riches. To embark on this incredible quest, you must first embrace the idea that becoming wealthy is within your reach. Believe in yourself and your ability to create wealth. Shift your mindset from doubting to believing, and open your mind to the abundance of opportunities that await you. Step 2. Define your money goals. Getting rich isn't just about accumulating money. It's about knowing what you truly want and setting clear goals. It's time to ask yourself, what does financial success mean to you? Is it buying your dream home, traveling the world, or starting a business? Identifying your money goals gives your journey purpose and direction. Step 3. Create and implement your financial plan. With your path embraced and goals set, It's time to create a concrete plan to achieve financial prosperity. Design a roadmap that outlines your steps and milestones. Focus on strategies to increase your income, manage your expenses wisely, and invest strategically. Stay committed to your plan and be adaptable to changes as you progress. Remember, as Robert Kiyosaki once said,
I use liability. If I want to buy a new Ferrari, I first buy an asset, and the asset pays for the Ferrari.
now let's have these few basic goals of Rich Dad that will help you with your financial plan. 1. Change the characteristics of your income. 2. Start a part-time business. 3. Change the characteristics of your expenses. 4. Convert personal expenses into business expenses. 5. Place your business inside a legal entity. 6. Have your business buy your assets. 7. Harness the power of reinvesting. Do you know what makes something an asset? Let's hear from Robert.
So an asset, if the money is flowing into your income statement, it's an asset. So my rich dad would say, if money is flowing into your pocket, it's an asset.
When you start working, the first portion of your income goes to taxes, followed by paying off your mortgage to the bank, and then contributing to your 401k or IRA, which essentially goes straight to Wall Street. However, despite thinking of these as assets, they are not. Indeed, yes, they're assets, but they're not your assets. So that's one of the big things Robert's rich dad taught him. Always control your cash flow. He always wants the money to flow into his pocket, not out of it. Remember, work for assets, not for a job. Step 4. Decide on where you want to do your banking. When it comes to your banking choices, consider factors beyond convenience. Choose financial institutions that align with your values, offer competitive services, and support your long-term financial goals. Always make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run and help you manage your finances effectively. Step 5. Choose your friends and partners wisely. Your social circle plays a significant role in your journey to success. Surround yourself with supportive, ambitious, like-minded individuals who inspire you to grow and achieve greatness. Be selective about your friends and partners, as they can influence your mindset and financial decisions. Step 6. Give yourself time. Building wealth is not an overnight process. It requires patience and perseverance. Give yourself the time needed to learn, make mistakes, and grow. Avoid getting discouraged by comparing your progress to others. Trust in your abilities and stay committed to your financial goals, knowing that each step forward brings you closer to success.
Don't let failure ever stop you. Use your brain, use your creativity.
Step 7. Start small. Dream big. Begin your wealth-building journey with small, manageable steps. Lay a solid foundation by saving and investing wisely. As you gain confidence and experience, allow your dreams to expand. Dream big and set ambitious goals, but remember that they are achieved through consistent, disciplined actions taken one step at a time. Step 8. Before you expand, you must contract. Assess your current financial situation before making significant financial expansions or taking on more significant risks. Sometimes, contracting or downsizing temporarily can be strategically beneficial. Focus on strengthening your financial position before pursuing larger ventures or investments. Step 9. Get bigger, faster. As your financial knowledge and experience grow, be open to accelerating your progress. Look for opportunities to increase your income, diversify your investments, and leverage your resources effectively. Embrace growth and be proactive in seizing chances to expand your wealth.
So I look at life as learning.
Embracing a lifelong learning mindset empowers you to adapt, grow, and achieve financial success. Keep seeking knowledge and staying receptive to growth as it paves the path to prosperity. Step 10. The more you share, the richer you become. Generosity is a powerful tool in the journey to prosperity. Share your knowledge, experiences, and wealth with others. By giving back and helping others succeed, You create a positive cycle of abundance that enriches your life and the lives of those around you. Remember that true wealth is about what you accumulate for yourself and your impact on others. This journey won't always be smooth sailing. You'll encounter challenges and setbacks, but don't be discouraged. If you feel discouraged, listen to this.
Failure should inspire you to get smarter. And unfortunately, our school system says if you fail, you're stupid. That is not true. You know, we learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to get smarter, be humble, and take a look at something.
Throughout the journey, it's normal that you will face rough waters and encounter challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Whenever you feel disheartened, remember this: every obstacle is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the challenges, stay resilient, and keep moving forward. You've got what it takes to overcome any adversity that comes your way. I know you are yearning for a life free of financial burdens, a life where you never have to worry about money again, right? So, let me remind you to shift your focus. Instead of chasing money, start chasing problems and then solve them. Robert Kiyosaki's wisdom reveals the key to unlocking financial abundance. Embrace the mindset of a problem solver. Seek opportunities to accelerate progress, diversify income, and leverage resources wisely. This opens the door to a life of freedom, leaving financial worries behind. Take charge of your financial destiny by embracing the right mindset, setting clear money goals, and creating a well-thought-out financial plan to pave the way to a prosperous future. Now is the time to embark on this transformative journey toward a life of prosperity. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.